If you want to create modern and versatile ceiling lighting, the Linea20 LED channel by TopMet is the perfect choice. This aluminum profile is specifically designed for ceilings and can be used for suspended or surface-mounted installations. The Linea20 is ideal for various applications, including living room lighting, kitchen illumination, dining room table setups, office spaces, garage, and even gyms. Plus, you can turn it into various shapes or patterns, like Z-shapes, triangles, squares, or hexagons to fit your space. This profile is available in 4 finishes: black, white, silver, and raw. The Linea20 can accommodate LED strips up to 20 millimeters wide, and we have some great recommendations for you. For classic white lighting, we suggest using the White Iris series for perfect illumination. It's also available in 5 color temperatures and 3 LED densities for varying brightness. King Proteus series for more powerful lighting, making it the perfect choice for garage lighting. For colored lights, Hibiscus or Verbena series are great options. The Linea20 is compatible with 3 types of diffusers. First up, the E-Slide diffuser, which is available in 2 variations: clear with 95% light transmission and opal with 60%. Next, the F-Click diffusers with 3 available variations: clear with 95% light transmission, opal with 70%, and black with 40%. Lastly, the E7-Click diffuser, which provides better diffusion, especially if you want a brighter lighting, with an opal light transmission of 70%. Now let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer for use with the Linea20. Attach these end caps with silicone sealant to maintain waterproofness. Make sure to choose the right end caps to match your selected diffuser. You can also use this silicone sealant to fill any holes you may have drilled in the channel for wiring. To create stunning pendant light fixture, we recommend these 2 suspension kits available on site. The standard suspension kit lets you create a suspended profile, while the electrical suspension kit allows you to run wiring through it, eliminating the need for visible wires on your ceiling. You can save time on site with our pre-built corners. Use a straight connector for neat and accurate straight connections. The 3-arm Y connector creates a 3-way joint with arms spaced 120 degrees apart. We can cut the Linea20 to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order note. We can also powder coat to any desired color. If you're interested in using the Linea20 for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you're still unsure which option is best for your project, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help with all your LED questions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more lighting tips and guides.